A desktop laser cutter is a gateway to a world of endless creativity and precision. This compact yet mighty tool is a game changer in the world of DIY and crafts. It's not just a cutter, it's an engraver too, capable of etching intricate designs onto a wide array of materials. From wood to acrylic, glass to metal, the desktop laser cutter reigns supreme with its versatility. The science behind this tool is as fascinating as the creations it yields. Imagine a focused beam of light, so intense that it can cut through materials, carving out your designs with an unmatched level of precision. Transforming a simple image or design into a permanent engraving is within your reach. A beloved photograph, a cherished quote, or an original design can be immortalized with a desktop laser cutter. It's time to unleash your creativity and delve into the process of engraving a picture with a laser cutter. Before you fire up your laser cutter, you need to prepare your picture. The success of your engraving largely depends on the quality of the image you choose. A clear, high-resolution photo with distinct contrast works best. Now, to make it suitable for engraving, you'll have to convert the image into black and white. There are several software tools that can help you do this. While converting your picture, pay attention to the contrast and brightness. These elements play a crucial role in determining how well your image will engrave. Higher contrast images tend to provide better results, as the laser cutter can distinguish more easily between the dark and light areas. Adjusting the brightness can also help to enhance the lighter areas of your image. Remember, the aim is to achieve an image that engraves well, not necessarily one that looks good on screen. Now that your picture is ready, it's time to move on to the next stage. The key to a successful engraving lies in correctly setting up your laser cutter. To begin, load your image into the laser cutter's software. It's as simple as dragging and dropping your file into the workspace. Once your image is loaded, it's time to adjust the settings. Depending on the detail of your image and the material you're engraving on, you'll need to tweak the speed, power, and resolution. The speed determines how quickly the laser moves, power influences the depth of the engraving, and resolution affects the overall quality. Remember, it's always better to start with lower settings and gradually increase them if needed. And while we're on the topic of settings, let's not forget about safety. Always make sure to wear protective eyewear and never leave your machine unattended while it's operating. With your laser cutter all set, you are ready to begin the magic. Now comes the exciting part, turning your picture into a beautiful engraving. The engraving process is a captivating dance of precision and control. As the laser cutter begins its work, it moves meticulously over the material, the laser burning away the surface layer by layer, guided by the picture you've prepared earlier. The beam's intensity, speed, and focus are finely tuned to ensure an immaculate engraving. It's almost like a delicate surgical procedure, where precision is key. The laser's path is dictated by the darker areas of your image, allowing for a stunning replication of your chosen picture. The beauty of laser engraving lies in its versatility. By adjusting the settings, you can manipulate the depth and texture of your engraving, creating a final result that's as unique as the picture you started with. And just like that, the laser cutter completes its final pass. With the engraving complete, your creation has now come to life. So you've successfully engraved your picture using a desktop laser cutter. Let's take a moment to recap our journey. We started by preparing our picture, ensuring it was suitable for engraving. We then moved on to setting up the laser cutter, carefully adjusting the settings to match our specific needs. Finally, we dived into the actual engraving process, transforming our simple picture into a unique piece of art. Throughout this journey, we've seen how important it is to pay attention to details, from the quality of the picture to the settings of the laser cutter. Remember, common mistakes such as using a low-resolution image or incorrect cutter settings can greatly affect the final result. Keep experimenting and learning from your experiences to achieve the best results. With a desktop laser cutter, the possibilities are truly endless. So go ahead and explore the world of laser engraving.